Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of Denticore, a popular dental health supplement that's been making waves. Is it legit? Does it really work? Stick around, and let's find out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews. What is Denticore? Show product images, ingredient list, and website screenshots. Denticore is a natural dental health supplement designed to support healthy gums, strengthen teeth, and promote better oral hygiene from the inside out. It claims to target bad bacteria in the mouth while also improving overall oral health. Some of the key ingredients include berberine, known for its antibacterial properties. Milk thistle, helps detoxify and reduce inflammation. Beetroot extract, supports blood flow to the gums. Artichoke extract, rich in antioxidants for gum health. But the big question is, does it actually work? Let's get into my experience. My experience and results, personal testimonial with real-life use, if applicable, or general observations based on research and customer feedback. I tried Denticore for 4 weeks, taking the recommended dose daily. Here's what I noticed. Fresher breath. Within a few days, I noticed my breath stayed fresher for longer. Less gum sensitivity. My gums felt less inflamed, especially when brushing. Whiter teeth? While it's not a whitening product, my teeth looked slightly brighter. But, it's not a magic pill. You still need to brush, floss, and maintain good oral hygiene. Pros and cons. Natural ingredients with proven benefits supports gum health and reduces bacteria. Easy to take. Just a capsule a day. Money back guarantee. Takes time to show results, not overnight. A bit pricey compared to regular supplements. Not a replacement for brushing and flossing. Final verdict. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a natural supplement to enhance your oral health, Denticore is definitely worth considering. However, it's not a miracle cure. You still need to maintain a good routine. Where to buy? I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Denticore or have any other dental health tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next review. See you next time.